Hello there again, wealth builders. This is your king, and you're tuned in to Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get into it. Today, let's continue our discussion on the exciting journey of cryptocurrency investing for beginners. Wealth builders, we're diving deeper into additional intriguing topics to help you gain a better understanding of cryptocurrency. But before we proceed, your king wants you to comment below and share the most valuable lesson you learned from part 1 of this video. Let's see who among you guys gained the most lessons. So, without any further delay, come and join your king as we dive right in. We have now finished discussing what cryptocurrency is and its top examples. Additionally, we have addressed questions such as, is it a good investment option? And how much money should you invest in it? Now, wealth builders, we will kick off this episode by exploring the pros and cons of cryptocurrency investing. But before we continue, wealth builders, your king has a small favor to ask. Could you kindly hit the like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below? Your king truly appreciates these small gestures from all of you. Now, let's first discuss the exciting benefits of diving into the world of cryptocurrencies. Firstly, let's talk about the potential for high returns. Wealth builders, imagine it like riding a roller coaster, but with a smile on your face. Cryptocurrencies have displayed remarkable growth, transforming early investors into success stories. It's like having a ticket to a thrilling financial adventure. Picture this, wealth builders. You invest a modest amount, and suddenly, your returns skyrocket. It's a dynamic arena where even small investments can lead to significant gains. Investing in cryptocurrencies offers the opportunity to achieve substantial profits. Over the years, numerous cryptocurrencies have surged in value, creating life-changing opportunities for those who had the foresight to invest early. And while it's true that the market can be volatile, with its ups and downs, the potential rewards can far outweigh the risks. However, your king must interject and say that it's still crucial to note that the potential for high returns comes with its own set of challenges. Like I said, cryptocurrency markets are recognized for their volatility, and while this volatility can lead to significant gains, it also poses the risk of substantial losses. The same roller coaster that brings exhilarating highs can also unexpectedly plummet. Thus, while the potential for high returns is an exciting aspect, it's imperative for you wealth builders to approach this financial adventure with caution and a clear understanding of the associated risks. Now, another advantage of cryptocurrency investing is its accessibility. One of the significant benefits of the crypto market is that it operates 24/7, allowing you wealth builders to trade whenever you want at your convenience. You are no longer restricted by the opening and closing hours of traditional markets. Isn't that fantastic? With cryptocurrencies, you have complete control over your trades. Furthermore, wealth builders, the worldwide reach of cryptocurrencies indicates that you can trade anytime and anywhere with just an internet connection. You can be in Tokyo, Dubai, or New York City and still buy or sell cryptocurrencies without any difficulties. This accessibility provides the ultimate flexibility, allowing you to balance your work and personal life while also pursuing your financial goals. Undoubtedly, having the keys to a financial kingdom in your pocket is an incredible feeling, and cryptocurrencies can provide precisely that. On the contrary, your king can see that the accessibility of cryptocurrency trading may lead to disadvantages such as overtrading or making impulsive decisions. The constant availability of the market can tempt investors to make hasty moves, influenced by short-term market fluctuations. It's crucial for you to strike a balance, leveraging the accessibility without succumbing to the pitfalls of impulsive decision-making that can negatively impact your investment portfolios. And of course, let's not forget the third advantage, decentralization. Wealth builders, one of the defining features of cryptocurrencies is their operation on a decentralized network. Unlike traditional financial systems that are controlled by central authorities like banks and governments, cryptocurrencies enable individuals to have full control over their assets. This financial freedom is a game changer as it eliminates the need for intermediaries and reduces the risk of government interference. However, your king hates to tell you this, but the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies also poses challenges. The lack of regulatory oversight means that investors may face increased risks of fraud and scams. Without a central authority ensuring compliance and security standards, you wealth builders need to exercise caution, conduct thorough research, and implement robust security measures to safeguard your assets in the decentralized realm of cryptocurrencies. Now, I know this is the part that you are all waiting for: how to invest in cryptocurrency like a pro, even though you are a complete beginner. Well, your king has prepared 5 steps to help you do it. But before I reveal these 5 steps, how's this episode going so far? Are you learning and enjoying it? Your king truly hopes that you are. And by the way, wealth builders, please drop a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below suggesting the next topic I should cover. I'll do my best to produce top-notch videos for you. Alright, let's get to the first step. Firstly, decide which cryptocurrency you will invest in. Wealth builders, deciding which cryptocurrency to invest in is an important first step for beginners entering the world of cryptocurrency investment in 2024. Your king suggests you conduct thorough research and consider factors such as market trends, project fundamentals, and risk tolerance to make an informed decision. And before I forget to tell you, Bitcoin and Ethereum remain popular choices, but don't overlook emerging cryptocurrencies that show promising potential. Be observant, okay? Now, wealth builders, the second step is to choose a trustworthy cryptocurrency exchange. When it comes to choosing a trustworthy cryptocurrency exchange, beginners like you guys should prioritize security, reputation, and user-friendliness. Look for exchanges that have robust security measures in place, such as two-factor authentication and encryption protocols to safeguard your digital assets. Transparency in fee structures is also important, ensuring that you understand the costs associated with trading. It is always wise to read reviews and seek recommendations from trusted sources or experienced traders to assess the reputation and reliability of an exchange. But don't worry, as your king, I have a few exchanges that I highly recommend: Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. These exchanges have earned a solid reputation over the years and offer a wide range of cryptocurrencies for trading, providing you with generous opportunities to diversify your portfolio and explore various investment options. Now, the next step is determining the amount of your investment. This step, wealth builders, is absolutely crucial in your cryptocurrency journey. As beginners, it's important to take into account your own financial situation and how much risk you're comfortable with. Setting a budget for your investment is a wise move. Start with a conservative amount, spreading your investments across different cryptocurrencies to minimize potential risks. As you gain confidence and become more familiar with the market, you can gradually increase your investment allocation. Remember, this advice is from your king, wealth builders. Great fortunes are not made overnight. Just like a beautiful garden, growing your wealth through cryptocurrency takes time, patience, and wise decision making. Now, once you've completed the first 4 steps and made your investments, managing them effectively is crucial for long-term success. Wealth builders, I must say that you need to keep a keen eye on market trends and stay updated with the latest news, as they have the power to significantly influence cryptocurrency prices. Set realistic goals and establish a solid investment strategy that aligns with your objectives. Consider techniques like dollar cost averaging or utilizing stop-loss orders to mitigate risks. Oh, and don't forget to familiarize yourself with the tax obligations associated with cryptocurrency gains. If you need help, seek professional advice. I can assure you that by taking a proactive approach to managing your investments, you'll be equipped to navigate the ever-changing and sometimes unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency market, ultimately maximizing your potential returns. There you have it, wealth builders. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king here appreciates that. Until next time. And always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.